Hello friends, welcome back to my famous YouTube channel to watch with more videos on machine learning using Python. Up till now we have gone through many videos on machine learning using Python such as program on fair library, program on deface library, hand tracking using Python, speech recognition using Python and many more videos on machine learning using Python. Today's video is enhancement of previous videos, eyes blinking. So for that let us go through the Python file. First four statements are for importing required libraries for the program. The next two statements, two lines are used for variable to track blinking frequency, this blink counter and blink start. Then this line evi underscore cascade is equal to cv2.cascade classifier. It is used to load the cascade classifier. The next statement cap is equal to cv2.video capture it start the webcam. Then alert underscore sound is equal to alert v, it is start the alert sound. Then while loop which is true. Then ret comma frame is equal to cap dot read, it is used for converting the gray is equal to cv2.cvt color, it is used to convert the frame to gray cell. Then detect eyes, then drawing the webcam, drawing the rectangle here. Then here blinking is none at time, and if the drowsiness is detected, then play sound alert sound, it will inform about the drowsiness by sound, listening to the sound. cv2.put text, it is used to display the frame with eye rectangle. And at the last q is used for exit the while loop. Then cap dot release, it is used to stop the recording, close the webcam. Then cv2.destroy window, it is used to close all the window. Now I will execute the program. Yes, webcam is started and
Caution.
yes, it is.
Manual. Fuel.
Yes, it is detecting that eyes are closed. So I have successfully done with detecting drowsiness in eyes using Python. I really taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.